Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Google Chrome sync error. For this, what you need to do is click on the three dot at the top right, click on where it says settings. Now once you're inside setting, over here where it says sync in Google service, click on it. Over here make sure to turn on. So right now mine says turn off because my sync is already on. In your case your sync might be off, so do that. And even after doing this, turning it on, you're still not able to fix it, then click on privacy and security and then scroll a bit down and click on site settings. Once you click on site settings, scroll all the way down and click on additional content setting. Now again scroll all the way down and click on where it says on device site data. Once you click on it, make sure where it says allow sites to have data on your device. This is turned on, and at the bottom click on where it says add, and over here make sure you add accounts.google.com like this. Make sure you add this and click on add. Once you do that, your accounts.google.com will be added over here and your problem should be fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you need to click on privacy and security again, and this time click on clear browsing data. And over here make sure all of this is tick marked, and over here it says all time. Click on clear data and all of your site's data will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. That's how you guys can fix your Google Chrome not syncing error problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.